Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this padded armrest cover from the manufacturer to do a review. It fits my 2012 Toyota Tacoma, the console to protect it. So let's look at its features, see how it looks. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, it came with a set of step-by-step instructions to install it, 4 different steps, some question and answers on the back. It does note here that it has a 365-day warranty. Okay, it's in a drawstring bag. Okay, it has a very thick padded soft cushion for the armrest with a decorative design. A couple of straps on the bottom, fit snug on the console lid. Non-slip material on the bottom, and it comes with one little side pocket that you can put your cell phone or something in. So you can see this side is curved. This one's a little bit more squared off. This should be the front, and this pocket will be on the driver's side. So let's put it in place. Okay, my console opens up from the side. So pocket on the driver's side. You have the 2 straps. Put the bottom strap on first. Then put this second strap underneath the bottom. Then stretch this over the top. So it's very comfortable. You have the side pocket that you can put your cell phone or other items in. Opens up. It fits snug over the console. It looks good. Scratch resistant, water resistant. Very, very comfortable. So I highly recommend this padded armrest cover.